We've got at least 30 new photos to view in the case of 13-year-old Madeline Soto, who had her life cut short by her mother's boyfriend, Stephen Stearns. Thanks to the YouTuber named The Docket, we will get to see much more evidence in this murder case, which is rife with voluminous amounts of evidence in the form of body-worn camera videos, photos, interview videos, and audio, and more. We don't know exactly what evidence we are paying for before it is provided, and we don't often get details of what we are seeing when we receive new evidence. But we believe we're seeing Stearns' car caught in a photo at 9,271 South John Young Parkway, because that's the title of the photo. The Docket and I, along with other YouTubers, have been paying thousands of dollars to obtain this evidence from various police departments and sheriff's agencies in Florida. Find the link below to the YouTube channel named The Docket, as well as my Patreon link if you would like to view these full photos and/or download these photos. However, I have not included one photo of a child and redacted other faces who aren't Maddie or Jennifer or Stearns. Authorities are warning us that it will take time to provide us with all of the redacted data, so we have to be patient as the information is released over the coming weeks and months. It should be delivered to us in increments as authorities redact the information they need to redact in order to remain private. We often don't know the contents of the data we will receive and what data to expect that we have paid for, but we do our best to analyze it upon receipt. This latest dump of 30 photos shows us several photos of Stearns appearing to have a Snapchat-like filter on his face. Those photos are titled Unified Message. They contain memes and pet photos. It's not clear if these are photos that Stearns exchanged with Maddie, but the 37-year-old Stearns appeared to be making silly duck lip poses and one's eating a sandwich or making other stupid faces, putting himself in the position of an immature type of boy who would use such filters to relate to a young girl, when in actuality he was a grown man grooming a teenager. There are also photos that authorities provided us from Jennifer Soto's social media pages, including an image of Maddie at her 10th birthday party, as well as another photo of Maddie when she was older next to her mother and another unnamed man. The party photo from Jennifer is captioned, "Madeline had her 10th birthday party today and had an absolute blast." It is dated February 21st, 2021. It was liked by 26 people, plus you will notice that the Instagram photo was also liked by someone named Steffi Boo G. I searched for that Instagram account and it is now gone, so I'm wondering if that belonged to Stearns. One thing this latest discovery dump proves is that authorities were doing their due diligence pretty early on in the case and grabbing snapshots from social media before Jennifer was able to remove her social media footprint. Another very interesting photo we were provided includes a poem for Maddie, but it's not clear who wrote these interesting words. One line remarkably speaks of holding Maddie in the writer's arms, as his or her heart died with Maddie. For Maddie, says one side of the folded paper, and then a little heart was drawn in blue ink. These haunting words make me wonder where this poem was found. The poem was titled Always. It reads, "Your hair was like honey, with eyes stormy blue, gone way too soon, I will always miss you. Your smile was a treasure, your laughter filled the room. This world is not the same. I will always miss you. I love you so much, I would have died for you, with no end to my tears. I will always miss you. As I held you in my arms, my heart died with you. Rest in peace, sweetheart. I will always miss you." The poem ends with another heart drawn by hand. But what do you think of that last stanza? Who could have written this? As I held you in my arms, my heart died with you. Whoever wrote this makes it sound like they were present when she took her last breath or something. No wonder police included this shocking poem in evidence. This seems more than a heartfelt tribute written by one of Maddie's friends or someone. I can't help but ask myself if Jennifer Soto or Stearns himself wrote this. I'd have to compare the handwriting to any other handwriting I can uncover from the duo. Stay tuned, because I plan to create more deep dive videos from the previous interviews of Jennifer Soto and Stearns, and continue to create more videos analyzing the new data we receive as soon as we get it. For now, let's close with Acts 2:21. And it shall be that everyone who calls upon the name of the Lord, invoking, adoring, and worshiping the Lord Jesus, shall be saved, rescued spiritually.